Hey, what's up guys? We're gonna make a little quick video today. Got one heck of a windstorm going on outside. It was snowing this morning and it was raining. It was nasty. It was kind of a mix of some snow and rain. Anyways, it's cold, but I'm actually sitting there on the computer this morning doing some work. I noticed the wind picked up really bad and it actually rolled our chicken coop out here. We gotta go get all our chickens in. We're gonna move them down to the bottom. The way our house is, where the chicken coop is actually at, which is right over there, it gets really windy up here just being on top of the hill. Hopefully it's not as windy down at the bottom, or they'll be a little bit more secure, I guess. So we're gonna go pick up everything. I think we lost a feeder, lost the nesting box. I think one of the chickens is still in the coop somehow. I watched it roll over, but it went completely over the fence right there. You can see where the fence is laid down. We got one bird in there still, so then we'll go get our crate real quick and we'll round up all the chickens real fast. You know what? I may just bring the coop down here. I might just put the coop right into here. It'll be in here. It's warm in here. I'm gonna do that. That way I don't have to worry about the wind. When we can move them out, when it's time to bring them back outside, we can just kind of shovel everything right out the door. Let's go get the coop first. Well, actually, we still got to get the birds in the crate. I think it's supposed to be windy all day today. Now, we get some pretty good windstorms here, but every now and then we'll get some gusts like what we just had, where it'll take anything. Are you guys good? While we're down here, let's check on these pigs real fast. I'm sure they're probably laid up in their house, staying warm out of this wind. Yeah, they're good. Blew all of our furniture up. I gotta pick all that up. Man, that's crazy. That's some strong wind. That blew all of our furniture right off the patio there. From what I can tell, it doesn't look like the coop broke. I just saw it roll over. The wind had just taken it and just flipped it over the fence right there where it's laid over. But I also believe we're missing a chicken. We had 7, can only count 6. And I don't know which one we're missing yet. I got 5 in the crate there. Just somehow this one managed to stay in here. I know this is the chicken that's laying, and I believe she was probably in the nesting box when this thing went over, which is why she'd still be in here right now. Let's see if we can get this bird real quick. Oh, you know what? It did break. Yeah, it broke right here. I don't see anything that's majorly broken on it. Again, we're missing one. I had 7 of them. I only got 6 in the crate. Or I don't even see the other one. I don't see it anywhere. Grab a bale of hay real quick. So I knew we were missing a chicken. It's down there. It's by the pig pen. Let's see if she lets me get up to her. If not, I mean, she's on a wood line. She goes into the woods, I'm not chasing her. I'm a big guy. That's a little chicken. She's gonna beat me in the woods. I'm not going in there. See, now I probably spooked her even more. Oh, man. Maybe third time's a charm. Kind of make it. Oh. Got her. Got all the chickens back. Before that coop going over, and only one of them kind of running away and flipping out. It's not bad. Could have definitely had a lot more damage in that whole event there. All right, I'm not sure how long they're gonna stay down here for. We'll see what the weather does. If I bring them back out, it's gonna be down here somewhere. I can't bring them up to the top of the hill anymore. Now that that's all done, I'm gonna call it for a minute. Kind of just keep an eye on everything out here, make sure nothing else goes south. If it does, I'll bring the camera back out. All right, let's give it a minute and see what happens. We have a canopy on our deck and the wind ripped cover off that. So I got a couple things I gotta do real quick. The wind did some damage this morning. That's one weather aspect that I just cannot stand. But I'm gonna go up here and see if I can get that canopy on the deck fixed real quick.